Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about how to apply for student loans in Nigeria. Many people don't know that they could actually apply for student loans and get their tuition fees cleared and also get monthly stipends till they graduate for university, and all bills will be on the government because they have a particular arm, the National Education Loan Fund, arm, and this parastatal actually deals with giving students loans. So this video I'll be talking about the requirements you have to meet, the things you have to do, and how you are going to make the repayment after graduating from the university. So if this interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back guys. So as said earlier, these loans are for everyone as long as you are in a public university, especially in the federal university. For those in state universities, I will also advise that you apply, but in most cases they approve loan applications from federal universities. So there are some things you need to understand when it comes to the NELFUND, that's the National Education Loan Fund. So the first thing you need to understand is that they have a website, and the website is already in the description section, so you can use the website, the link, to better understand what we are talking about. So you have to go to the site and apply. Now, some of the requirements is that you must be at least 18 years old, that's one. Then two, you must be admitted into a university. And it is also advisable that you apply when you have a matriculation number, because your loan will be easily processed and they can easily track your loans. So, and after that, make sure you get a guarantor that could actually stand for you, because you will need a guarantor. And for the guarantor, you need someone who is, maybe gainfully employed in the formal sector or the informal sector. And the major thing is that they have an accurate pay slip for like 6 months. So as long as you can have access to someone that can give you pay slip for 6 months, in some cases 3 months, but let's say 6 months, and you can submit these things on their portal, you should have access to the loan. So the loan amount you'll be getting is dependent on your tuition fees, because the federal government of Nigeria will pay directly into the school's account. They have access to tuition fees that are paid in the schools. So if you are, let's say, in University of Ibadan and you apply for the NELFUND, now what they will do is they will transfer your tuition fees straight to your school, and the account number you dropped for the stipend, they will credit you monthly. Most times they send as low as or as high as, depending on you, as 20,000 naira per month to applicants, as stipends, but your tuition will be fully cleared. So the good thing about it is that this will reduce the burden on your parents and also reduce the burden on you, because number one, you are getting stipend, and number two, your parents don't have to rush every year to pay these fees. So it is a good news for you if you actually apply for this NELFUND and you get it. So the thing is, like I said earlier, let me just go through the step-by-step processes of how to apply for the loan. Number one, you check your eligibility. Like I said earlier, you have to be at least 18 years. You must be fully admitted into university, and like I advise people, make sure you have your BVN and your NIN, because the government doesn't joke with all these details. Now after that, you gather your documents, then you also get your matriculation number, especially for those who are just admitted. So I will always advise that you apply in 200 level or in second semester 100 level. And after applying, you fill the form, upload the details, and like I said earlier, make sure you get your details from your guarantor, because you will definitely need a guarantor unless things have changed. So after that, you submit your application and wait for a response. Now as you get repayment, how do you pay this money back? You need to understand that this loan is interest free. The government is not collecting interest from you, and number two, the government is not giving you a loan that they would actually require you to pay after some months or some years like the banks do. What you need to do is the government has your details from matriculation number till you get to your NYSC, and once you finish your NYSC, 2 years after, the government has a way of tracking you and understanding where you are. For example, if you are gainfully employed, let's say in a bank or whichever organization you are employed, what the government does is to ask you to pay 10% per month till you cover up all the funds that the government spent on you. So if the government spent like 2 million naira on you, that means per month you have to drop like 200,000 naira every single month till you are able to pay back the 2 million naira. That will be 2 years after you have finished your NYSC. Now, for those in the informal sector, maybe after finishing, you went into hairdressing, or you opened your own shop where you do printing or any other business. As long as you are not really formally employed, what the government does is the government would send a representative to your store and you will negotiate with them on how you intend to repay. Now, at that point, you must be fully registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. And after that, you would also be, you are paying tax and the government understands how much you make per month. So based on that, you will negotiate with their staff to understand how much you are willing to repay monthly till the whole loan is cleared. But don't forget, I said earlier that your loan is interest free. So I think this is a good initiative from the federal government, to actually help our students in universities and our parents, clear their bills with ease every month, and it actually makes education more accessible. So if you are yet to apply for your home loan, I think you should do it. As long as you are in Nigeria, you have nothing to fear. Sincerely, get the loan and clear your bills. That would actually help your parents, do one or two things with maybe your younger ones at home or with other businesses that they have. So if this is your first time of watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe, share this link with your friends, and I'd like to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.